You done? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for joining. Today I'm going to do a quick review on the Jaclyn Hill palette. Looks like these. I picked it up at Ulta yesterday. It retails for $38. I know I'm a little late to the party here with doing the review on this since it came out almost a year ago. This is the palette. It's a cardboard palette. It has like a little magnetic thing, but it's not very strong. And then these are the colors inside. They're really pretty colors, and I love like all the different varieties. Like you got your pinks, your neutrals, some nice pops of color, the darker shades, the lighter shades. I think it's a really good different kind of palette where this would probably only be the only palette you need to create all kinds of different looks. I'm going to insert a photo of the shimmer shades that I swatched. And then I also have a little clip here of the matte shades. So you can see here, these are the matte shades. They're very dry and chalky. The black, I bent my arm for like a second and you could see that it kind of transferred up there. Like the packaging, if you look, I know a lot of YouTubers said this already, but there are no names on the actual palette itself under the shades or anything like that. But on this package, on the back of them, it does have the names right on the package. You could see them right there. So yeah, what do I think of this palette? Well, the shimmer shades are gorgeous. They're creamy, very pigmented. I've mostly bought this palette because of these three shades here. They're like pinky shades. They're shades Faint, Sissy, and Little Lady. The shimmers are gorgeous. They're buttery, creamy, swatch very well, very pigmented. Even when I take a brush and kind of do like a brush swatch, kind of blend them out, they still have a lot of pigment. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm trying to bend my arm. I kind of swatched them really weird, but they still have a lot of pigment, even with being, you know, hit with the brush. The mattes, however, are a big, big disappointment. They're very chalky. They swatch okay, but then when you go over it with like a brush, like if you were to put it on your eye, it doesn't give off a lot of pigment. Like I feel like you really have to dig into this palette to get the shadow on the brush, enough shadow to have the pigment. And I don't like digging into my palettes. It is 35 colors. Again, this retails for $38, where most of Morphe palettes, I think, for the 35 shades is like $23 to $28. So why this was so much more expensive? Probably because it has the Jaclyn Hill name on it. They're not all consistent. Like all the shades and the formulas, like the mattes and the shimmers, they're not consistent enough for me to want to pay $38 for this palette. Like that's my opinion. It might work for some of you, it might not. Just my opinion. I'm not trying to hate on Jaclyn Hill or anything like that. I think it's fantastic that she did put the work into it and that she did get to the point where she made her own palette with Morphe, that they wanted to affiliate with her and everything. I think that's excellent. I'm just saying myself, it's not worth $38. Sorry. This is what I'm doing. I'm putting it back into the packaging, which it did come in like bubble wrap, which that's cute. And then it came in the box, the Jaclyn Hill box. So that was cute. Back in the box, and I have my receipt, and it's going back to Ulta. I really, really wanted to like this palette. I just can't justify $38 for it. So that's my review on it. If you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, join the Fizzle fam, and I will see you guys next time.